Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Shopify 3 months free trial for $1 at per month. So just go to the Google and search here Shopify 3 months free trial. Now some of the people saying that this trial works with a specific link, like they're just bluffing. There's nothing like you need a specific link. Just go to the official website and add this link. As you can see, like this is the official website, the business, and sign up for a free trial and enjoy a 3 months of Shopify for $1 per month on select plans. As you can see, you can just enter your email address and just click on start free trial. Let's say that I enter my email address, so let me just enter it, and you can just click on start free trial. And once you click on start free trials, so let it load. As you can see, it is requiring a password that I might already have created an account. So select a password if you do not have an account, otherwise log in and just click on create Shopify account. And once you click on create Shopify account, so it will take you to this page. As you can see, the offer is start for free stay for $1. Today free 3-day trial, like they are giving me 3-day free trial at no cost, and next is basically $1 per month for 3 straight months. That is 96% off. So at this page, you can just enter your card, like the details, first name, last name, and stuff. So make sure to enter all those details and subscribe for $1. So once you subscribe it, so you will be able to get the Shopify store 3 months at $1. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.